Hi everyone, I'm Tanisha and I'm the core team member of Rajdhani Yuva Sansad. So this vlog is of second day of Ideas and Action Summit, that is 4th September. Also, we have posted a vlog of day 1 already. If you haven't seen that yet, पहले जाकर day 1 का vlog देखो. Get to know about the committees, कौन सी committees हैं, क्या क्या चल रहा था, and also get familiar with the secretariat, the co-founders, the OC members, and then continue seeing this vlog. इसमें और ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. Also on second day the crises were introduced in all the committees. Although इस वीडियो में crisis पूरी तरीके से included नहीं है. Like we have talked a bit about crisis, किस में क्या हुआ. और लास्ट में इन द क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी वी ऑल्सो हैव अ शॉर्ट क्लिप, अ शॉर्ट पोएम बाय आवर को फाउंडर मैम. उसमें उन्होंने हाईलाइट दिया है कि चारों कमिटीज़ में किस तरीके से क्राइसिस इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, क्या क्या क्राइसिस था, क्राइसिस का एक ओवरव्यू था. सो टिल देन एंजॉय दिस वन, होप यू लाइक इट. सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू इट.
युवा संसद, where passion meets dreams, a tale of excellence.
ये ना स्तव्य है, मैं बता रही थी ना, पहले से बता रही हूँ मैं कि ये कितना क्यूटी है.
स्तव्य क्यूटी.
ये इधर आओ.
देखो डेप्यूटी वो सॉरी सेक्शन क्या काम करवा रही हैं.
ये का बैग लेके वो कैमरा शाय है थोड़ा.
We have these cute OC members.
हाय नम्रता एंड राधिका एंड ये तो क्यूटी पटूटी एकदम बढ़िया.
माने
वो कह रहा है क्या हो रहा है ये मेरे साथ, पता नहीं क्या करते रहते हैं सेक्शन और डेप्यूटी सेक्शन. ये हमारे ब्लॉग जाएगा यूट्यूब.
आओ चलो आईपी और मार्वल की कमिटीज में राउंड लगा के आते हैं सब लोग. लेट्स गो.
नहीं पहले मार्वल में
नम्रता, would you like to say something in our vlog?
The IP team has actually made some really good memes and we can't wait to see them.
तुम्हारी हाइट कट रही हो क्योंकि तुम लंबी हो.
थोड़ा सा ना शांत होकर गाना पड़ेगा, फिर चलते हैं तो हमारे
चलो चलो. This is the scribe of Marvel.
फाइल नहीं हुए, they are not final, right? मैं जो लेके आया, we are discussing on that. So she thinks that her,
Let's go to IP.
she thinks that how it will work with me, when we discuss.
We are done with Marvel. वहाँ पे
अभी मुझे जय भैया का कॉल आया, वो कह रहे इधर
आओ IP. Yes.
अभी जय भैया का, जय सर हमारे को फाउंडर का कॉल आया मेरे को एंड इज लाइक कि हेलो NWS. मैंने बोला क्या? फिर कहते कुछ भी, तो बच्चों में लड़ाई होगी. मैंने हैं. फिर ईशा दीदी पीछे से हंसने लगी, पता नहीं लेट मी कॉल हिम बैक.
चलो. Now we are in Marvel. Oh sorry, IP. International Press. Hi to the vlog. Hi.
everyone share your experience कैसा रहा?
So, do you believe your leadership makes you more accountable for the instruction and support?
I cannot help it. अब जो काला है वो तो काला ही है.
कुर्ते की वजह से.
So, do you think that it was a
All racist in 100 ways. उल्टा दिख रहा है ना, इसको पढ़ के सुनाना पड़ेगा.
हम थिंक कर रहे हैं पढ़ना.
The greatest Indian Murti Maestro. Crisis in Marvel today.
I started with a dream.
Acting affairs USG. Would you like to say something in our vlog?
I was elected as the USG Hospitality for Ideas and Action Summit. But ROS made me do each and everything, including the acting, the jailer, the kidnapper, Thanos. I don't know what will happen in the future, but I enjoyed it. Thank you.
गाइस अभी मार्वल में क्राइसिस है तो मैं बहुत गंदी लग रही हूँ इसमें.
सारी कमिटीज में क्राइसिस होती है.
Tanisha is looking nice. This is Stavya. Stavya, come here. This is Stavya. Say hi.
We are going to bully him now. No, just kidding.
Stavya is a very nice guy. Oh my god.
Wow, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
गाइस अभी लोकसभा में बहुत गंदा वाला क्राइसिस होने वाला है, तो हम उसका फिल्म करेंगे. गंदा नहीं, मतलब बहुत अच्छा क्राइसिस होने वाला है. यस, अब 0 आवर में जाने वाले हैं. इट इज 10 o'clock राइट नाउ. दिखा है क्या? इट इज 10 o'clock राइट नाउ. तो ये पार्क है.
Hello guys, what's up?
अभी हम फिल्म करेंगे कि जो हमारा क्राइसिस हो रहा है, तो अभी पता नहीं कब आएंगे प्रेस मेंबर्स। सो जस्ट फॉर अ बैकग्राउंड ऐसा हुआ है कुछ कि प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी यहाँ पे, तो जो हमारी जर्नलिस्ट मैम थी उन्होंने मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन
Now, I would like to invite Susan ma'am, Manjula ma'am, along with the co-founders of Rajdhani Yuva Sansad, Advocate Isha Kapoor ma'am and Advocate Jay Sari sir, to come upon the stage to give a token of appreciation.
ABAB Rhyme Scheme, in order to honor our dear English teacher, the one who initiated the concept of Ideas in Action Summit in your school, in this school, the one Miss Sunena Sabharwal ma'am, who introduced us to the Henry School. So this is a very short creation of 8 lines, 2 lines for each committee. Let's hear what happened in these 2 days. Starting with the Marvel Committee. So Thanos gave a special appearance, tried destroying the world. The real superheroes went against, saved us, thank destiny we are alive, that too in whole. Then the HSM, the Prime Minister jailed us, that jailer was so cruel. Blessings to the press leader who sacrificed himself, an honor for the all. No food, no water, no thoughts flowed. Real leader saved us, thank democracy we are alive, that too in whole. Then riots, fire, Lok Sabha sir, riots, fire, death, violence and anarchy to the core in Lok Sabha. Fundamental rights face threat, but again honest press faction saved us all. The press, thank the press, hail the press again that we are alive and that too in whole. As if this wasn't enough, the UN got captured, came to the rescue our dear chairperson, managed to escape the insidious abduct. She gave the terrorist a medicine of his own. Thank peace, hail the UN that we are alive and that too in whole. Farewell to the plot where we learned core values. Hail the Ideas in Action Summit. Academic morals were saved and that too in whole.
I would also like to invite USG Hospitality, Mr. Parnarin.
Along with the USG Hospitality, I would also request all the organizing committee members to please rise on their stands as we declare the conference closed. All the organizing committee, please stand up, cross your faces. This event would not be possible if the organizing committee members were not there. Okay. Now, without taking any further time, I am Lee Chauhan, the Secretary General of Ideas in Action Summit 1.0.
And I, Tanisha Gupta, the Deputy Secretary General for Ideas in Action Summit 1.0.
And I, Parnarin, the USG Hospitality for Ideas in Action Summit 1.0. Declare this conference closed.
The event is officially closed.
IAS 1.0 is now officially over. And
Signing off. Thank you to everybody.
we are signing off as Secgen and Deputy Secgen.
More
See you.
conferences to come, and we really enjoyed. And thank you so much to everybody.
There is
Karthik as well. पीछे से बड़ा हमारे
thank you Karthik for being a part. क्या है?
चीफ गेस्ट है ये हमारे.
Oh.